So this is a speaker strobe for a wall mount, like this. Something like that, okay? And this is how you wire it. So what you're gonna do is here is your whole deal here. There's strobe and there's COM. So COM is the blue wire, okay? COM is the blue wire. Red is the strobe, okay? So here's the deal. You're gonna have two of each. So this is what it's gonna look like coming out of the wall. Sometimes you might have one red, but you're gonna usually have two of each, just like this. And I'll show you what I mean when I wire this guy up. So you're gonna take your two red, and you're going to strip them like this, just like that, okay? And what you're going to do, you know, you're going to take the copper off, take the sleeve off, just like that, okay? And the red is positive, plus black is negative, okay? And all you do is you take a screwdriver, you unscrew these, positive goes here, negative goes here, just like that. You do the same exact thing for the red wire, the other red wire. Same exact thing. Okay? It's like this. Boom, boom. So now you're going to be doubled up. Okay? It's hard to film, but you're going to be doubled up in here. Hold on. Just like that. So that's what it's going to look like. Screw them down. Now the blue wire. There's going to be two blue wires. Alright? Two blue wires. Now when you strip the blue wire, here's what it's going to look like on the inside. It's got this, this is for pulling the, you know, cutting the wire like that. It's not right. It's for pulling it and cutting the wire like that. So that's how it cuts. But you know, what I call it is taking the clothes off. You take the thing off and it looks exactly like the red wire, just a little bit thinner. Same thing. Same thing. So you see here how that's a plus? This is the negative, so this is the positive. Okay, same thing. Red goes into the positive. Okay? And same thing for the blue wire, the other blue wire. Okay? Alright. Boom, boom. Just like that. And you double it up with the other blue wire. So it's going to look like just like this, but with the blue wire, and that's it. That's all you do.